In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on Etsy from Aliexpress. We'll start by choosing Etsy safe products on Aliexpress. Focus on items you can personalize or customize, names, photos, colors, engravings or designs, and products that work in a print-on-demand style. Examples include custom mugs, shirts and hoodies, personalized jewelry, custom phone cases, engraved keychains, printable planners, and wall art with custom text. When you search, use keywords like custom, personalized, and print on demand. Then filter for sellers with a 4.5-star rating or higher and at least 100 orders. Next, verify your supplier before you list anything. Message them to confirm processing time, that they accept custom orders, and that they can ship without invoices or logos in the package. Check reviews with photos and look at delivery estimates. Ideal delivery is around 7 to 15 days. Now set up your Etsy shop. Open your shop at etsy.com/sell. Choose a brand-friendly name, set currency and country, and set up payments. Write clear shop policies for returns, shipping, and personalization. Match your processing time to what the supplier confirmed. When you create your listing, answer Etsy's prompts correctly. For who made it, choose I did since you designed it. Set what is it to a finished product. For when was it made, choose made to order. Then add a production partner in settings under production partners. Enter your AliExpress supplier, set the location to China, and note that they help produce your items. Price for profit. If the item costs around $8, shipping is $4, and fees are about $2. A selling price in the $24 to $35 range covers margin. Etsy buyers pay for customization and aesthetics. Write a high-converting listing. Use a clear title like personalized name necklace, custom gift for her, minimalist jewelry. In the description, include how to customize, processing, and shipping times, a production partner disclosure, and care instructions. Add photos, mock-ups from design tools, lifestyle images, and text overlays that explain options. For fulfillment, place the order on AliExpress with your customer's details, paste their personalization notes, ship directly to them, and upload the tracking number on Etsy. Ask the supplier to exclude any invoices. Deliver great customer service by replying within 24 hours, setting honest expectations, handling delays professionally, and offering refunds or replacements when needed. Good reviews drive Etsy traffic. To scale, order samples first, build a cohesive brand, move to faster suppliers as volume grows, and use tools like Canva for design, Everbee, or eRank for keyword research, and Google Trends for demand. That's it. You're ready to launch.